Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see in your circumstances. So, let's start with these cards. We have full moon in Cancer, waxing crescent moon, new moon in Capricorn. So, in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe it may be an emotional time. You are talking to someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be this person you love, and a lot of emotions involved. Maybe um, there may be some arguments, some circumstances. It is bringing out, showing you some, what to say, it may be some arguments you have or something. um, it may be an emotional time, a difficult time for you to handle, and you need to take care of whatever problems you have. Maybe you need to tell someone what you truly feel, or you need to listen to someone about their feelings for you, what they have for you, or what they need to tell you. And there is a challenge coming to an end. Maybe this emotional situation is going to bring you clarity. It is what is needed to give you the answer. And it is time for you to accept your insecurities and overcome that and move forward in your life, because you may be avoiding someone, or you don't want to talk to someone, but it will do you good if you talk to this person. It may be a family member, a sibling, or a parent. So they have something important to tell you, Scorpios. And though it may be an emotional circumstance, it is going to help you. It is going to take away that burden from your heart. So you will feel, uh, what to say, you will feel free without that thought, without that worry about someone, and without that insecurity on your part. And whatever situation you are thinking about, Scorpios, it is taking shape. You need to wait. This is not the time for you to give up. You must have faith, Scorpios. So if you are seeing some difficulty in your personal life, if you want a better understanding, and if you want things to go in a beautiful way, and you may feel that something has ended, or there has been uh, some problems that you cannot solve, some mistakes on your part or some mistakes on their part, whatever it is, you're nowhere near the end. There is a long way to go. And if you feel that this present situation is not okay for you, then it means that it is not the end of things. You can still influence some changes in your circumstances. And if you want something, you must take that practical steps needed. So you can spend time in meditation or chanting. Do something that is going to make you feel positive, make you have that dreams and plans towards your future. So this is the time for you to look forward towards the future and not look back. And just because you do not see those dreams manifesting, it does not mean that those dreams are not happening. It is coming towards you, and it is on your part, and this burden lies on your shoulders, Scorpios. You need to put your foot down and take the practical steps towards your dreams and plans. This is the time for you to chase your goals, and do not ever think of giving up. And this may be the way you must be in your relationship or in your career. So, if you truly want this person, you must do everything on your part to win them, to make this relationship work. So, things are going to change for you if you take the practical steps needed. So, you need to do what you need to do today, Scorpios. And Scorpios, with these cards, I can definitely say that there is going to be a new start in your life, professionally or otherwise. A new way of things. You are going to see your circumstances from a different perspective, and you are going to see an improvement in your job, and you need to have a new plan or strategy. So that is going to help you, Scorpios. So you must think of your circumstances, plan for a year ahead or plan for 5 years' time. And you must think seriously about your future and work towards that. And this may be the time for you to be really ambitious, because whatever you wish for, whatever you plan for, is waiting to unfold, but you need to work towards those uh, plans and dreams. Make it happen for yourself. And it is a very positive sign with these cards, guys. It is a very good time for you to uh, take up some kind of learning. Maybe you need to do something, you want to study something, this may be the right time. Or if you want to chase a dream, maybe take up a new opportunity, a different kind of a job offer, you can go for it, you will be successful. And you should not be too controlling. Maybe you cannot control everything, and you should not be very stubborn about how people should be with you, or how circumstances must be, because that is not going to help you in any way. That is going to make you more, it is going to distract you away from your goals and dreams. So you need that one pointed attention and focus. If you have that, you are definitely going to succeed, Scorpios. Let it be your career or let it be in your personal life, and you need discipline. You need a lot of discipline. So you must write down what you need to do and do that step by step. That is going to help you a long way, Scorpio. So that is the reading here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.